Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can play Stardew Valley in a multiplayer mode. So players on PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch need the online gaming services of their platform to join an online group play in Stardew Valley. They should also be friends on their respective networks to invite and join the people they want to play with. Similarly, players on Steam can only send to other players they are friends with, and those playing on PC via GOG Galaxy can send invite codes to other players. So the easiest way to play multiplayer Stardew i- is to create a brand new world. So instead of new, you should click onto the coop if you are hosting and then just select the host tab and click onto the host new farm and just build a cabin for each player joining. But if you build fewer cabins and if you build fewer cabins than those actually joining, you can let Robin build more for 100G each. And then you may set a profit margin if you want to pull your money or split it eventually between player. And your friends can then join using the invite code. So that's it for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.